can visualization help you in English learning? Visualization is a powerful tool that can enhance the language learning process. It involves creating mental images or visual representations of words, phrases, and concepts to aid in memorization and comprehension. One way to use visualization in language learning is by creating mental images of vocabulary words. For example, if you are learning the word apple, you might visualize a bright red apple with a green stem and leaves. This image can help you remember the word and its meaning more easily. Another way to use visualization is by imagining yourself using the language in real-life situations. For instance, you might visualize yourself ordering food at a restaurant or having a conversation with a native speaker. This can help you to feel more confident and prepared when you actually find yourself in those situations. And the final ways visualization can also be used to understand grammar rules and sentence structures. For example, you might visualize a sentence as a puzzle, with each word fitting together like pieces to form a complete picture.